In this video, let's talk about on how to use Robinhood Fractional Shares feature. So if you don't want to buy a whole share and want to invest in terms of dollars or dollar amounts, in this video, let me show you on how it is done. So all you want to do is within the Robinhood platform, tap on the trade option on the particular stock or ETF that you're trying to buy. Now within the buying section, you'll get a section of entering in the amount. Now if you don't see this option straight away, on the top you need to tap on this option, which you should be able to see on the top right. So you can simply tap on it, and within this option you'll get a section called market orders or conditional orders, and within market orders you'll be able to see the option called buy in shares or buy in dollars. So if you want to activate the fractional shares option or the feature, you can simply tap on the buy in dollars option. As soon as you do that and as soon as you head back, the dollar should be visible on the top right, meaning you can enter in your desired dollar amount instead of the exact shares that you're trying to purchase. So this is the exact method that you need to follow in order to use the Robinhood Fractional Shares feature. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.